Hi everyone, welcome to Mirka. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new Mirka PBS pneumatic belt sander. In the box you'll find your instruction manual. Please take a read as this has all the information. Also, please register your tool within 30 days with your proof of purchase to gain your 2+1 warranty. To register your tool for its 2+1 warranty, you will need the serial numbers. The serial number located on the machine is at the top of the handle and also located on the box on the bottom sticker that says SN. Thank you for checking out our unboxing video on the brand new Mirka PBS pneumatic belt sander. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.